Looking for the Hostinger coupon code 2026? Watch this video. The coupon is automatically applied through the link, so there is no need to enter any coupon code. See, this is the proof that you are getting the Hostinger discount. First, click the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link in this video description. Now, at the top right corner, you will see the flag icon. Click it and select your country, so the price will be displayed in your local currency. Next, choose the hosting type you need, such as web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, VPS hosting, or any other hosting service you prefer. Now I am selecting web hosting. See here, the coupon is automatically applied. You don't need to enter any coupon code. Next, you can see the available plan options. Take your time and choose a plan based on your needs. For now, I am selecting the most popular premium plan. Once you review the plan, click the Choose Plan button. Next, you will see the order summary page. Here, choose your billing period, 1, 12, 24, or 48 months. The 48-month billing period is recommended if you want to save more now and during renewal. With this plan, you will also get a free domain for 1 year. Next, in the order summary, you can see the 20% referral discount. This discount is applied because you used my link. Now click the Continue button. Enter your email address and create a password. Once that is done, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete the payment, and you will receive a confirmation email. And that's it. You have successfully claimed the Hostinger deal using the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link. It's very simple and takes just 2 minutes.